So the return of Cristiano Ronaldo to Manchester United. Me not mention it yet. Yes, CR7 is back at Old Trafford and back in the EPL without skipping a beat, scoring now 3 goals in his first 2 games. And again, with this latest chapter in his storied career, we must ponder this man's place in the history of the sport. No longer the quintessential speed merchant or the explosive bundle of skill, but talk about timely. Ronaldo is still amongst the very best in the business at what he does. And don't get me wrong, he has his fans and his fanatics. But in real objective football terms, what Cristiano Ronaldo is doing at the level at which he continues to do it and the length of time he has been doing it is nothing short of phenomenal. I mean, sticking the ball in the back of the net, it looks easy, don't? But it is actually the hardest thing to do in football. This is why goal scorers are held in such high esteem and are paid so much money. Well, ponder this. Of all the goal scorers in the history of this beautiful game, by his sheer numbers, Cristiano Ronaldo is already the greatest of them all. Despite of Manchester United, in play for despite always play with Manchester United.